Hello, everyone. In this week, we're going to talk about ethics and cultural competence in chapters 5 and 6. We'll begin by talking about ethics. In chapter 5, we'll go over the ethical guidelines that we have to follow as researchers and as social workers. Both the Social Work Code of Ethics from the NASW and the institution where we work, in this case Fresno State University, have different guidelines regarding ethics and research. It is important as social workers and as social work researchers that we follow both of those sets of protocols. An important consideration in ethics is the cost and the benefit of what we are doing. The cost is not just the monetary cost. It is also the cost to the participant or the risk to the participant. The benefit must outweigh the risk in order for the research to be ethical. Anytime that we do research, we have to get approval from an institutional review board or a human subjects review board. This is to ensure that we are being ethical in what we are doing. When you do your thesis or project next year, if you have human participants, you must have IRB approval before you can begin doing your research. If you make changes to your research after it has been approved, you must stop and wait for the IRB to review the changes and approve them before you can continue. This is to avoid ethical controversy. In this week, we will talk about many past ethical controversies and things that have been done that are unethical in research. Some of these remain controversial today, whether or not it is ethical to do it. A common ethical concern in research is whether or not it is ethical to deceive the participant in order to get a response. This is something that we will discuss in today's discussion board. Another ethical concern that is common in social work research and that I commonly see in thesis or projects here is participants involving minors. There are specific federal regulations regarding research with minors that we must follow. So it is important that you be aware of that before you begin to design a project that includes minors. Finally, this week we will talk about bias in our questions and bias in our research, and being culturally competent and culturally humble when we are doing our research. If you have any questions regarding these things, please let me know. Thank you.